Hey everybody, J.R. Fisher here. Want to do a quick video here. I've had some people asking me how can they make money online like right now. I mean, they don't want to build a website, they don't want to source products, they don't want to do anything. They want money right now. Well, I'm going to give you 9 ways you can do that. Now, you won't make as much as if you did a full-fledged business, but I'm going to give you 9 ways and sites you can go to today to make money. So when you're done with this video, you're going to know exactly what you need to do if you need to make money right now. I mean, you need money in your bank account right now. So these things will work out for you. The first thing I'm going to tell you is you could be a freelance writer. Now, you never thought of yourself as that before, did you? If you can write at all and do a little bit of research online, you can be a freelance writer. And I'm even going to give you the site to go to. It's called textbroker.com. Now, here's the cool thing about TextBroker. You don't even have to be great. You could be okay or average, because what they do at TextBroker is they actually rate people on a scale from like 1 to 5, and you can fall somewhere in between there. Now, if you're really good at it, obviously, you'll make more money doing this and you're going to get more clients. But TextBroker is a great thing to do. You can, boom, presto, you're a freelance writer. You don't have to have any titles. You don't have to have any credentials, nothing. You can go there and do this. So go there and sign up if you want to do that. The next thing you can do is be a social media manager. And here's the funny thing nowadays. There is a lot of people that spend a ton of time online, and yet they don't realize they're kind of an expert. I mean, if you're on Facebook all the time and you're on Twitter all the time and you're on Instagram, you probably know more about some of that stuff than I do. But the thing is, you can go out there and you can actually charge businesses to do postings for them, to interact with their clientele online on their Facebook pages. They need people to do this. And you can charge, I mean, I've seen it, $1,000 to $10,000 a month just to be a social media manager. All you have to do is contact these companies and say, hey, you can do it online. Contact them online and say, I'd like to manage your social media. This is what I charge. And if you contact enough people, now I'll hear people say, well, I tried to ask this one business and they said no. Well, okay, so ask 100 more, because if you ask enough people, certainly somebody's going to say yes and you can make some money. The next thing you can do is you can be a virtual assistant. What does that mean? Well, you can do all kinds of tasks for people. You can send out emails. You can answer questions for their customers. You can set appointments. You can do all types of stuff. And you can go to a site called freelancer.com. And if you go to freelancer.com, you can be a virtual assistant. I know we have people in the Philippines that work for us, and they do a great job, and that's onlinejobs.ph. If you're listening to this and you happen to be in the Philippines, you need to go to onlinejobs.ph. I'm telling you, they got some great people there. We hire people there full time. So that's your third way to make money online. You've got no excuses now. You can make money online. All of these are no investment. You don't have to put any money out whatsoever. The next thing you can do is graphic design. If you're good at Photoshop or any of these creative type programs, you could be a graphic designer. It's really that simple. And you're going to use some of the same things. You're going to go to maybe Upwork, or you're going to go to Indeed.com. And I'll put all that on the video here later on. We'll list all that. But you can go there and it doesn't cost you anything. Nothing. You just go ahead and create your profile. And once you do that, people can just go out and hire you. You can go to Fiverr.com, which you're going to hear me mention Fiverr.com several times in here. The next thing you can do is, if you can listen and you can write, you can make money. Here's what you do. You go to Rev.com. This is number 5 if you're keeping track here. Rev.com, it's REV.com. If you go to Rev.com, all you have to do there is listen to audio and then transcribe it into written words, and you'll get paid for that. Yeah, that's actually a job online. You actually get paid to listen to stuff and just write it down. And that's number 5. Go to rev.com. Doesn't cost you a dime, and you can list yourself there and you'll get jobs. You will get jobs, okay? Next thing you can do is, if you really, just want to do like nothing and you want to get paid, you can go and be a survey taker. Did you know that? That's number 6, by the way. There's several sites you can go to be a survey taker, and all you do is take surveys and they pay you. That's it. That's all you got to do. You can go to Survey Junkie. That's surveyjunkie.com. You can go to Swag Bucks, and that's spelled SWAGBUCKS, Swag Bucks. And you can also go to Prize Rebel. So any of those sites will pay you just to take a survey. That's all you got to do. Just take a survey, and you can get cash today. Okay. Now I'm gonna tell you that all these sites are not going to pay you like having your own business, your own website, your own Shopify store. However, if you have no money to invest, you want to make money, you can do that. Number 7, what can you do? You can be a virtual receptionist. That's right. So basically what a virtual receptionist does is they answer calls and direct calls. So you do have to have a phone, I will tell you that. So if you don't have a phone, you have a problem. But if you don't have a phone, if you don't have a phone, that's pretty tough anyhow. But if you've got a phone, you can do this. You can be a virtual receptionist. There's a site I'm going to send you to called Smith.ai, SMITH.ai. If you go there, you have to be available from 5 a.m. to 6 p.m. And all you got to do is take calls. Now, they do have a couple stipulations at Smith.ai. You have to be able to work at least 4 hours a day, 5 days a week for a minimum of 20 hours. Okay, you can also work 40 hours if you want. Shifts are broken up into 2 to 5 hour blocks, and applicants need to be from the U.S., Canada, or Mexico. So it's all that Northern American stuff there. That's who they want there. But get this. They even provide medical, dental, and vision insurance. Okay, that's pretty cool. Retirement plans, cash bonuses, and weekly pay. And you can be a virtual receptionist. And that is number 7 if you keep a track. Okay. Number 8, if you speak English. Okay. Now, if you can speak English, you can actually make pretty darn good money just teaching other people English. Okay. There are a couple of these sites, and I want to put one in here. It's called VIP Kid. That's VIPKID. You can make $2,000 a month just teaching kids English in China. That's all you got to do, and you can do this online. The typical pay in there is anywhere from $14 to $22 an hour, and you're going to be teaching kids that are about 4 to 12 years old. But you could do that online. You know, you can pick up an extra couple $1,000s if you want to do that. Cost you nothing to do it. You go there and apply, and that's VIPKID.com. That's VIP Kid, something like that. Yeah, you go there and you can do that. And then the last thing is going to take you a little bit of effort. Now, this one you got to put a little effort into, but that's just create a course. If you know anything about anything, you can create a course. You can go to Skillshare.com. That's SKILLSHARE, Skillshare. You can also go to Udemy. That's spelled UDEMY, Udemy. And you can put your course there. And, you know, I've done a lot of courses over the years, and I got to tell you, it's kind of cool because every month I make money on courses that I did maybe a year ago, 2 years ago. And here's the really cool thing. The more courses you do, guess what? The more money you make. So if there's anything that you're good at, I don't care if it's graphic arts, I don't care if it's knitting, it doesn't matter. You could do a course on it and sell it online. So there you have it. You got 9 ways to make money online, 0 investment for those of you who don't want to invest any money. Okay, and keep in mind, you're going to make less money doing this than if you had a Shopify store and you were finding products and all that. Now, maybe you're doing this because you want to get a little money so you can start a business. So here's what you do. Go grab my book. My book will show you how to find products to sell online. I'm going to put a link to it there. And if you just want a course and you're interested in e-commerce and how e-commerce works, I'm going to give you a free course. I also put in the description a link to my free course. It's a series of videos that'll walk you through some of the basics of having an online e-commerce store and how it works. So there you got it. You got these 9 ways you can make money online. You got my book out there. The book costs like $5. Come on, not a lot of money. And the course is free. The e-commerce course is free. So I hope that helps you out. If it did, leave a comment below. I would really appreciate that. Don't forget to like and share this, okay, in case I haven't told you that in the past. If you've tried some of these things, or if you have another way to make money online, share it with me. And share it in the comments there. It'll really help people out. We really appreciate when you do that. Also, you could be watching this on YouTube. If you're watching this on YouTube, here's what I want you to do. I want you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. And I also want you to click the little bell there. There's a little bell down there. And if you click on that bell, what it will allow you to do is be notified when I do a new video. Saves you a lot of time and trouble. You don't have to go looking for it. I'm going to come tell you. So it makes it really easy. Hey, I really appreciate you listening. Check out my book. Check out the free course. I hope this helps you out. And you guys have a great day. Thanks. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.